Hey guys, welcome back here in Atlanta, Michigan. Welcome back to my channel, Elmi Guzman Talbot, here in Atlanta, Michigan. Today is June 14. It's afternoon already. I start because I late wake up. I'm tired yesterday working, so I'm late to wake up. Then we eat and more to do first. Then I continue to work now for cleaning our yard. So that's for today video. Continue to clean. Yesterday, that's the work I'm done here. This one is clean already here. So we'll go there in the another side here. So take this a little bit. I hope I will done this today. Maybe try this. Okay, this. Okay, so see, it's done. Okay, little bit na ito na guys. Ang dami, no? Kasing taas ko na yung pile. Ayun, last. Okay guys, that's my video for today. I have a lot of file. That's my work. The next time it needs to burn here. Okay, thank you for watching.